Hi crafters, it's Hannah
and Prudence
from HanCraftedCards.com. Welcome to this week's colour challenge. These are the two cards that we're going to be showing you how to make. We've both done some inking but done it slightly different. I have used the You've Got This stamp set, which is actually a double stamp set. So that's the one that I used, and
I've used this one, Bella and Friends, and also Sheltering Tree.
Okay, so we've got those for you to have a look at and that one for you to have a look at as well. So if you're new to my channel and you like this kind of video, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so Mom's just picked some numbers. They are 6, which is basic black, 15, did you say? 15, which is tempting turquoise, and 19, which is lemon lime twist. Okay, so lemon lime twist, tempting turquoise and basic black. So we will get those colours, pick a stamp set and then get started. Okie we have basic black, tempting turquoise and lemon lime twist. So we're both going to be doing some inking and then a bit of stamping. So for my card base, I've got a black, basic black card base, then a layer of lemon lime twist, then another piece of black and another piece of whisper white that I'm going to stamp on.
And for mine I've got tempting turquoise card and lemon lime twist topper and white, which I'm going to do some
zhuzhing, call it what you call it.
Zhuzhing and stamping.
Okay, so open these. So I'm going to start with tempting turquoise, and I'm going to grab a piece. There's one there if you want it. Just so I don't get ink all over myself. So I'm starting with tempting turquoise. I'm kind of doing grass and sky for mine.
I'm going to start with lemon lime twist.
So when you're inking, start off your cardstock and then bring it over onto the card. So you kind of start on the edge and then just work it in until you've got the consistency. So if you just start in the middle, you're going to get a splotch. So if you start off the card and then swirl onto it and then bring it into the middle, you don't have to stamp it off. Just start on the edge and work onto the card.
Yeah, I found that because you get like a big blob, don't you?
Yeah. I want it a little bit darker on my edges. I want it a little bit lower down. I'm kind of keeping this a little bit sort of splotchy because I kind of want clouds. It kind of, this one can be a little bit splotchier, darker patches. There. And then when you're done, I'll have the lemon lime tar.
It looks a little bit of sky as well.
Pardon?
A bit of sky as well.
So start off
and then work it on.
You don't have to stamp it off on your paper. Just start on the edge of the cardstock. So like next to it basically.
Like so.
Yeah, and then swirl onto it. And I'm overlapping a little bit. I want the green to be more consistent because it's just grass. So
a bit more prominent.
I love the lemon lime twist when you ink with it because it kind of,
It's nice, isn't it?
the colour completely changes, I think.
Right, a little bit.
Yeah. A smidge more. Just where the overlap is. Always overlap as well when you're inking. You try and blend the two together.
Yeah.
So you haven't just got a line, unless that's specifically what you're going for. There we go. That's me done. Oh, my back. So I'm next taking the You've Got This stamp set, and I just want the big flower there.
That'd be nice. And I'm using the Bella and Friend, and I want this image. You say do the grass first?
Yes, do your grass first.
That's sheltering tree. When I can open it, and I can do some grass first.
If you do it in the lemon lime twist as well, then because it's tone on tone, it won't be like really bright, but it'll
Be in the background sort of thing.
Or actually, you know, it would be better if you did the dog first, and then you can kind of stamp it sort of over the little bits of grass that are already in the image. So actually, yeah, do that one first.
So here it is.
Remember with the basic black, it's a different ink pad, like the material of it's different, so
you need a good scrub.
Twist and tap. This is archival ink as well, so
What does that mean?
it's like the Memento
Okay.
ink, whereas this is like water based, so it's a bit different type of ink in there. Twist and tap.
It's not sitting properly.
We'll take it and do it again. That block's not quite the right size, that's why. I think it's hanging off.
Okay.
I would use...
This is a bigger one.
Pop it down. Other way. Yeah, that one's better.
Two heads are better than one. That's better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Move that now because that's inky.
I'm going to put him... Where did I put him?
Oh, that's pretty.
Just about. Yeah. That's nice, huh?
I haven't used that stamp set in ages. I'm just cleaning off my stamp to the side. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'm going to use the sentiment from this, but I haven't decided what I'm going to stamp it on yet. So until I do, I'm put
Where did that go?
What?
And then
Doing my layers.
you put some more grass on it as well.
No, in black. I mean in green.
How do you do that?
No, you didn't.
I was trying to get them straight now.
It don't matter. Grass ain't straight. So just sort of where the grass is already, just sort of go over there, is what I was thinking.
Okay. What a mess.
That's fine. Shall I move these out? You
see the danger of in that tipping it.
I'll move those out of your way.
Yeah, that's good.
I've got a 1/4 inch border around mine.
That looks good.
So it kind of pops.
It's like a photo.
Oh dear. You make me laugh. That's cute.
What?
I says that's cute. That's enough. Okay, so sentiment. I want that I'm here for you. I'm thinking I might just stamp it on there.
Have you got any Tombow?
Yes, I've got Tombow.
Okay.
Not much left there.
Let's start layering it.
Grab a block. You done with that ink?
Yeah.
Oh,
That feels empty.
I said there's not much in there. There is some there.
I'm flashing it and it came out.
Try and get this straight. Oh, I think that is straight as well.
Oh, that's fine. That's good.
Yeah, me like it. So that I'm going to put flat.
I think I'm going to use a sentiment from that one. Just for you. That's enough.
Oh, I nearly stuck that upside down then.
That's because you're watching me.
Knife. And I think I'm actually going to put it flat. I was going to pop it up, but I don't think I am actually. Let's just keep it flat.
I have to test mine before I put it on.
That's fine.
Which end? Put this end.
Can you hear that alarm?
Yeah, I could hear it all morning actually.
Is it the factory?
I was wondering. That's not right.
That's right. No, that's fine. You can cover it if you don't like it, but it's fine. It's up to you, my dear. Do you like it?
Do I like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
That's fine then. I'm going to actually ink the edge of my piece for inside, which I'd never ever actually do. I don't quite know why. Just so the inside has got a little bit of colour also. There. and then this is just going to get stuck inside. And I really like these colours together. That's cute. I like it.
Good.
Both?
I don't think that's straight actually.
It's like slightly off, but do you want to change it or stamp over it with thin?
Nah.
So those are our cards that we have made for with this week's colours. So I'll show you again. I used the You've Got This stamp set, which is that one.
And I've used Bella and Friends and also Sheltering Tree.
Okay, so you've got lots of options to choose from. All of the products that we've used and talked about will be in the description, and I will put another couple of videos over here for you to watch, some other colour challenges, and I've got another really nice one with this stamp set actually, so I'll pop that on the screen for you to have a look at as well. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.